In this video, I will show you 3 simple steps that will explain the entire concept of affiliate marketing, even if you are a beginner and even if you don't have any experience. So watch the full video till the end. So first, I will talk about affiliate marketing. So first, what is affiliate marketing? So in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products or services. And once someone purchases through your link, then you will get a commission. So in affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any product. You don't need to deal with any delivery, no product fulfillment, no customer service, and no refund issue. You just need to focus 100% on marketing. And when someone purchases a product or service through your link, then you will get a commission. So if you are a beginner and if you don't have any experience, then affiliate marketing is the best business model for you. So in a step 1, you need to find a product to promote. So there are 3 main evergreen niches that you can choose to find a product, which is health, wealth, and relationship. And these 3 niches are evergreen because there are lots of products that you can promote inside these 3 niches, and there are lots of sub niches inside this niche. Suppose in a wealth niche, there are lots of sub niches like make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto, finance, like that. So you will find lots of products in these 3 niches, and you can choose a product from different marketplaces such as Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Commission Junction. So these are the marketplaces where you can find lots of physical as well as digital products to promote. And you also need to be careful while selecting the product to promote. So you need to promote a product that can solve the specific problem for your audience. So doesn't matter which niche you choose, you need to find a product inside that niche that can actually solve the problem of your audience. Because if you promote some crappy product to your audience, then your audience will never gonna trust you, and then they will never gonna buy anything from you. And when you start affiliate marketing, you need to start with only one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time, and then you can build your automated system to promote that specific product. And if you want to promote more products, then you can promote the products in the back end, but not in the front end. You just need to promote only one product in the front end. And now I will give you a little tip to find the product to promote. So you can go to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and see what others are promoting. So suppose you are in a wealth niche. So just go to these platforms and see the other people who are also in the wealth niche, which product they are promoting. And if you find one product that lots of affiliates are promoting, then you need to promote this product because this product is already converting. That's why lots of affiliates are promoting the same product. And don't worry about the competition because you are unique. So you are promoting the same product that lots of other people are promoting, but you are unique and you can promote the products and the unique angle. So don't be afraid about the competition. Just start promoting the products that are already selling and that are already converting for other people. Now in a step 2, you need to drive targeted traffic to that product. So suppose you are already found one good product to promote, right? Then you need to find a people who are interested on that product. And to get a free traffic, you can use the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And right now the reels are in high demand. So if you just create a reel for 15 to 30 seconds, then you will get thousands and even millions of views. So then you need to create a reel to promote the product. And you can use TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Short. And the main thing is you can just create one reel. Suppose you create one reel on TikTok, and then you can post the same reel on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts, so that you will get more views and you can generate more leads. Because some people use TikTok, some people use Facebook, and some people like to watch videos on YouTube. So if you just create a one piece of content and then post the same content on different social media, then you will reach out to more audience. You need to be consistent. So just post one reel every single day, but not for only 1 week. Post that for long period of time and be patient. And slowly you will get a traffic from the social media platform. Then you will build your email list. Then slowly you will get attraction from the social media platform. And then you will grow your followers, you will grow your subscribers, and also you can grow your email list. And then the third step is you need to convert that traffic into customers. So you are creating a reels in the social media platforms, right? And then at the end of all your reels, you need to give people a specific call to action. So if I talk about myself, then right now I'm in affiliate marketing niche, and at the end of all the reels, I give people call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So in all of my reels, I give people call to action that check the link in my bio to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So once someone click the link in my bio, then they go to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people email address who visit this page. So here I capture people's name and email address. Then they redirect to other page, which is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And at the end of this video, I have a button, and I told people that if you want to learn more about that product, then click here. And once someone click here, then they go to the sales page of the product, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So this is the simple 2-page funnel that I'm using to promote the product. And to increase my conversion rate, I'm also sending people email automation. So I already captured the name and email address here. Then I send them email automation that talk about the product that I'm promoting. And then by using email automation, I redirect people to the sales page over and over again. So in future, they will purchase and I will get a commission. And the main purpose of your email automation is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So if you're promoting a product, right, then your audience have a confusion that the product you are promoting, which is legit or not, and the product will help other people or not. So your audience have a lots of confusion. So as an affiliate marketer, you just need to remove that objection. And once you can able to remove all of the objection of the people, then they will definitely purchase a product and you will get a commission. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then you need to follow these 3 simple steps. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then you just need to follow these 3 simple steps to promote a product and increase your conversion rate. And if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. In this case study, I will show you everything that I'm personally doing inside my affiliate marketing business. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you which type of funnel I create to promote the product, as well as I will show you my actual email automation sequence that I'm using to increase my conversion rate. And this case study will definitely help you to understand more about affiliate marketing, and then you have a clarity that how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So if you want to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So once you click the link in the description below, then you will come to this page. And once you click here and enter your name and email address, then you will come to this page. And in this page, I have a short video that I will explain about the opportunity, about the product that I'm promoting. And once you click here in this button, then you can get more information about the product that I'm promoting. And then you will get one email from Harshil and Prakshal. And once you open that email and click the link inside that email, then here you can see you can get access of the free affiliate marketing case study. So in this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. Now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.